I'm wearing elephant pants today. Hello everyone, it's Jen, and today is going to be a very interesting, I say that about every video. Today's going to be a very interesting video. Today is going to be an interesting video. So for the longest time, I've always wanted to do one of those like DNA Ancestry 23andMe DNA tests. Because to be honest, I don't know what I am. A lot of people can't really tell what I am. Most people when they see me, they just assume I'm a white bitch, which I probably am. I don't know much about my ancestry other than my mom and her family comes from Nicaragua and my dad and his family comes from Germany. So those are kind of the only, that's the only information I have. But I wanted to dive deep into my ancestry, find out where I came from, where I originated, because I don't want to live my life not knowing what I am. I took the DNA saliva test a couple months ago and I bought the kit online and then I got sent the package and I had to spit in a tube and then send it back out to the lab. And after like 8 weeks, it took a long ass time. Finally got my results. I have not looked at them yet. And as soon as I found out I got my results, I was like, I have to film this video so I can get my reaction on camera and find out, you know, everything about me. So before I look at my results, I'm gonna do a quick little prediction of what it might say. I think it's gonna say 65% European, 20% Nicaraguan, somewhere from Central America, and then 15% something else. What that is, I don't know. So that's what we're about to find out. Okay, here it is. Jennifer, explore your ancestry through your DNA. Oh wait, 25% British. I just saw something. I don't want to look. Hold on. Let's see. I am, what? I am 86.5% European. I'm way wider than I thought I was. 25.7% British and Irish. The fuck? I had no idea I had British in me. I knew I had Irish in me because my dad's grandma was Irish, but British? 11.2% French and German. I thought I was gonna be like, all of it was gonna be German because I know that my dad's family came from Germany. I'm only 11% German? Wow, that is weird. 7.3% Iberian. So that's Iberian. That's the Iberian Peninsula. 2.9% Scandinavian. Ooh, fancy. 0.3% Ashkenazi Jewish. I don't even know where that is. 25.3% broadly Northwestern European, 7.7% broadly Southern European, and 6.1% broadly European. So white, basically. Okay, next. I'm only 10.5% Nicaraguan? Wait, I'm confused. Native American? Which America am I native to? It doesn't say what country. I'm assuming that it's Nicaragua? I don't know. 0.9% broadly Northern Asian and Native American, 0.4% broadly East Asian and Native American. But 9.2% Native American to what country? I think it would have to be Nicaragua because my mom is Nicaraguan. So she also told me that my family was part of the Mesquite tribe, which was in Nicaragua. So I'm assuming it's Nicaraguan, not like the US, not that kind of Native American. 1.2% Sub-Saharan African, 0.6% Senegambian Guinean, the people of Senegal. Okay, 0.4% Nigerian. Fascinating. Broadly Congolese and Southern East African, 0.1%. Broadly Sub-Saharan African, 0.1%. 0.7% Western Asian and North African, 0.5% North African and Arabian. What? The Arabian Peninsula. I'm Middle Eastern too? Bitch. I am ethnic as fuck. Broadly Western Asian and North African, 0.2. And then I have 1.2% unassigned. So basically 1.2% who the fuck knows. But that's crazy. Wow, I did not expect any of that at all. I thought I would have been way more Hispanic. Wow. Okay, so I also did the genetic health risk factor, and This is going to tell me like what diseases run in my family, what diseases I might be at risk for, like cancer, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, like really scary diseases. So this one I'm actually a little nervous about. Okay, here we go. Genetic health risk. Hereditary hemochromatosis. What is that? A genetic condition characterized by absorption of too much dietary iron. This may lead to iron overload, which can cause damage to the joints and certain organs. Okay, you have one of the 2 genetic variants we tested. So I have something detected in that. I don't even know what that means. So I'm not too worried about that. Should I be? I don't know. The one I'm really nervous about is the Alzheimer's one. Let's check out the Alzheimer's one. All right, here we go. Late onset Alzheimer's disease. We all know what that is. It's where you get really old and you forget who you are and you forget everything. It's really scary. That's the one disease I hope I don't get. You have 1 copy of the E4 variant we tested. People with this variant have a slightly increased risk of developing late onset Alzheimer's disease. Lifestyle, environment, and other factors can also affect your risk. 1 variant detected. Oh God. I don't know, because no one in my family has ever had Alzheimer's. Neither set of my grandparents have had Alzheimer's. So I don't know one that I know in my family has had Alzheimer's. So hopefully I'm okay on that part. I think as long as you live a healthy lifestyle, like exercise and eat well, then that is preventable, but it's still a little scary. Age-related macular degeneration, not detected. Alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. BRCA, BRCA2. I know that's cancer, and it says variants not detected. Phew! Thank God. Celiac disease, not detected. G6PD deficiency, not detected. Hereditary thrombophilia, variants not detected. Parkinson's disease, variants not detected. Whew. Okay, so all I really have to worry about is iron overload and Alzheimer's. I think those are preventable, so I'm not too worried about that. But that's so crazy that they can tell you that. But wow, that's crazy. So what I learned today is that I'm whiter than I thought I was, and I'm at risk for Alzheimer's. Woo! Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I kind of did. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, click the little circle icon to subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my social media down below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!